Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access General. Now click on About section at the top and click on Name. Finally, you can type in wherever you wish to, in my case Sunny. And to save your new name, simply go back. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my iPhone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!